life up in the fast lane. Living life up in the fast lane.
And action. What's up, everybody? Yo, welcome to the Ty Garage. This is Ty Garage TV. Let me introduce myself. My name is Pablo, and I work, own, and live at the Ty Garage. It's a small tire shop that I started about 4 years ago, located here in Santa Ana, Southern California. So, welcome to the channel. From working on cars, going to car shows, car meets, anything like that, anything car related is what I like to do here. If you've been here before, welcome back. If it's your first time, welcome. So hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you here again. All right, thank you. So let's get started. On this episode, we're actually gonna do, this is actually the first of I'm gonna say a 5-part series, 5-part playlist that I'm gonna put together for 5 things to make your car look badass. Okay, most of us have older cars. We don't have a brand new car. It's not top of the line, right? But it still doesn't have to look bad. You still don't, it doesn't matter if your car is 2006, just the way this truck is. I'm gonna show you 5 things to make your car look better than it does right now. I'm gonna tag that playlist up here, so that way, if you wanna go take a look at it, I'll post it up here. On this one though, this episode, I'm gonna show you point number 1. Point number 1, and one of the biggest things to me, is those ugly, dingy yellow headlights. You know what I mean. Your car probably has them. And over some time, they just get ugly and they look horrible. And I hate it. Honestly, I hate it. I hadn't done it in a long time for my workhorse. And it's about time we do it, because I'm tired of looking at it that way. Honestly, it looks 10 years older than what it really is because of those ugly yellow headlights. So let's get started. Let's get to work. So let me take you back in time so you can see when I put them in. All right, have fun, enjoy, and I'll catch you back at the end of the video. So here's what we're looking at. Okay, 2006 GMC Canyon. It's my workhorse. This dude is a beast. Okay, I got this baby when it was at 62,000 miles. Back, I want to say I got him like at 2010 or something like that. Right now he's up to 201,000 miles. So this dude is a workhorse. This dude gets me everywhere, in anywhere, in any condition, and brings me back home every single time. But look, the paint's coming off. I just loaned it literally 2 weeks ago to somebody, and they scratched the shit out of this side. Also scraped it up. Thank you, you know who you are. And it's got its bruises, it's got its dents. It's got some dents here because I stood on the top of this thing when that door got locked up, so I had to stand on top of this to reach it. But man, this thing is my workhorse. I take care of him. You know what? And it takes care of me. So today what we're doing, replacing those headlights. Those things have been on that thing since I got it. Cleaned them up once, and honestly, they looked good, but they don't anymore. They're yellow. So I ordered them, got them in. They're actually right here. It's an easy job. So let's get to work. Let's get to work. Oh man, I really hope this is just, these are just the top ones. What the fuck? I feel like I got cheated. Never mind. Never mind. These are the bottom ones. Actually, those are the bottom ones. These are the top ones. So that goes up here. Okay? Look how much difference. White, yellow, white, yellow. Disgusting. Yellow. White is good. So let's figure out how to take these apart.
Live it like in a flat lane. Hey. 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 Live it like a Living life up in the fast lane. Hey.
So as you saw, that thing just kind of snaps out of place. Basically, it's clips here, 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 here. This one looks like it broke. It could have. It's whole truck. Then you got clips here, here, and here that connect to the actual truck itself. So it's basically just clipped on. Just pull on it carefully. Don't yank on it. Pull on it carefully and take it apart. Now for the bottom headlights, you've got bolts. I think those two are the only ones that hold it in place. So 2 bolts hold it in place and should be good to go.
And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you limits, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane, living life up in the fast lane.
Now let's do those. Put this aside.
Hey. Living life up in the fast lane, life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Losing track of time, but it's always on my side. Hit the still to feel the vibe. On my mama, I'm so live. Popping bottles around 9, and them ladies about to slide. Hey, I'm just living live. I'm just living live. Hey, rolling. Don't know if I'm coming or I'm going home.
LED bulbs I was gonna switch out on this car as well. Now would have been the perfect time to do it, but I forgot them. I forgot to order them. So I'm gonna leave them off for now. That'll be another video, which I'll post up here or up here, one of the two, and then that's gonna be another upgrade. That's another upgrade that honestly makes your car look so much better. It freaking updates the thing. New cars are coming out with those LED HIDs, and they freaking look awesome. As you're driving down the road, they're bright as hell too. So that's another big upgrade that you could do to your cars. So let me finish this one up and we'll go from there.
Miami when it's snowing, might just end up in your city, baby. You won't even know it. Might just find out from the ground while I'm posing with some grand.
Ta-da! Damn, that shit looks good. Woo. Right? That's the moment of truth. Now let's try them out and see if they work. That's what's important.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. Life up in the fast lane, fast lane.
What's up, Tag Rush TV? Yo, you know what the stupid thing is? I said let's go try them out to make sure they work, because that's what's important. And the truth is, they didn't work. I banged one of the bulbs or something like that, so the right side wasn't turning on. I didn't notice that until I drove home that night. Plus, it was pointed literally up to the trees and shit, because I needed to adjust them. It has an adjuster in the back where you can screw in or out, and it shifts. It makes the light go up and down. So that's a big follow-up. You got to adjust the lights to make sure they're pointed down. If they are pointed up that high, you're literally lighting up. Like I was driving through my neighborhood, and it lit up the trees. Like I can see the top of the trees, versus it lighting up the road the way it's supposed to. So big follow-up on that. And thank you for watching. I'm going to cut the video short here. Like I said, I'm going to post another video pretty soon. with the LED lights because I upgraded those already. In fact, I'm recording the ending to this, and I actually already did that. So that'll be the next video coming up, all right? I'm going to post my Instagrams up here. I'm going to post the shop Instagram up here. That way, go follow those 2 accounts. I post a lot of stories, a lot of stuff on there. I'm really active on social media, so go hit that follow button, and I appreciate you for that. Thank you. Let's cut this video short for now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining, and I appreciate you. All right? Catch you on the next one, Ed. You know what it is. Let's get to work. Let's get to work.
Living life up in the fast lane.